The country witnessed people thronging to liquor stores open in several states after 40 days of lockdown. In the national capital itself, police were forced to lathi charge people after long queues were witnessed at liquor shops in the Kashmir Gate and the Narela area. Cops were also forced to shut down liquor stores in several areas of the capital as people refused to abide by the social distancing norms. You can take a look at the visuals that are coming in that show you how the social distancing norms were flouted outside these liquor stores as well. On your screens right now is one side you can see the cops lathi charging at the crowd, and the other side you can see people flouting norms as well. In Karnataka, people were seen in celebratory mood as they gathered outside the alcohol shops in Bengaluru and also in Mangaluru. Similar scenes were also witnessed in Assam and Chhattisgarh. While the Uttar Pradesh government has now issued curbs on overpricing of alcohol in the state, you've got Andhra Pradesh government that has allowed liquor sale with a 25% hike in the prices.
We have prepared for this in advance. We have identified the points of alcohol shops. We have fixed the timings for them, and we have also fixed the number of people that can queue up. We have had in some, largely it has been very peaceful and there have been no problems. In some individual cases we have had information regarding some people queuing up more than what is allowed. So immediately the local authorities and they have taken care of such issues immediately. There is no problem as such.
राज्य सरकारों ने अपने राजस्व की खातिर स्वास्थ्य के साथ समझौता किया है। अगर शराब की दुकानें देश के विभिन्न राज्यों में खुली हैं तो फिर व्यापारियों की दुकानों को भी सरकार को, राज्य सरकारों को खोल देना चाहिए। अगर शराब की दुकानें सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन कर रही हैं तो हमारे व्यापारी भी उसी प्रकार से सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन करें। हमारा यह आग्रह है कि या तो शराब की दुकान बंद हो, नहीं तो हमारे व्यापारियों की दुकान भी खुले।
It's a big relief for tipplers as the liquor shops in Delhi have opened. 123 liquor shops, including this one in Old Delhi's Daryaganj, have now opened. And as you can see, it is currently 9:30 a.m. The shop has just opened, but from 8 a.m. people have been standing in line here. And if you can see, there is a long line on both sides of the theka, and people are waiting very patiently, wearing masks, standing in the circles that have been created here, have been set up here to maintain social distancing. But the tipplers are very, very keen on getting their fix that they've been deprived of for the last month. In New Delhi with cameraman Ajay Thakur, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.
As you can see right behind me, those two, the first people that you see there, have been waiting for more than an hour. All they wanted was for the liquor shop to open up. And I'll ask Sanjeev to pan and to show you that this queue is pretty long. It goes all the way, almost a kilometer. And everyone is maintaining social distancing. But yes, what these people were actually waiting for the last almost 40 days was for these shops to open. कब से वेट कर रहे थे आप दुकान खोलने का?
1 घंटा हो गया।
1 घंटा हो गया?
हाँ जी।
अभी खुशी मिल रही है कि दुकान खुल गई है?
खुशी मिल रही है जी।
कितनी बॉटल लेके जाने का सोच रहे हैं?
3
बॉटल। As you can see, people are really happy, obviously maintaining social distancing. As you can see, the police personnel are also here to make sure that no untoward incident takes place.
Now finally, liquor shops are open in Bengaluru. In fact, from 9 to 7 is the timing that they have been given. Now this is a wine store on St. Mark's Road. Now at sharp 9 o'clock in the morning, they actually open. And you can clearly see the people over here have to stand maintaining social distancing. And not just that, everyone who comes over here has to wear their mask. In fact, wearing a mask is now an order by the Commissioner of the Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagarapalike. If you don't wear your mask, you will be penalized. Now what we're also told is, apart from this, there are certain rules and regulations that they have to follow inside, such as sanitizing their hands. Not more than 3 or 4 people will be allowed inside at any particular point of time. And once everything is done, they have to leave this place. No one can drink over here. So this has been a demand for a very long time. In fact, liquor amounts to about 18 to 20% of the state's revenue. They were losing about 1,800 crores per month because of the liquor shops, pubs, all that were shut. But now, with things open, hopefully the government can actually somehow manage to get some part of that revenue back. With video journalist Madhuwar, Nolan Pinto for India Today.
Nabila, I am right now outside a liquor shop at Gomti Nagar area in Lucknow, and if you can see here right now that there is a long queue here. People have gathered here since early morning, even before the shops opened at 10 a.m. But social distancing norms are being followed by the people. You can see that circles have been made and people are standing within the circle. They are also wearing masks. Only 5 people are being allowed at a time inside the shop, and also the salesman is giving hand sanitizer to the people who are coming to buy liquor, and also the salesmen, they are wearing face shield as a precautionary measure. So all the precautions are being taken in liquor shops here in Lucknow. But yes, people are queuing up in large number, and in many places including here, police have been deployed so that the situation remains under control.
Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan has now attacked the Delhi government for giving too much relaxation in the capital after huge rush and breach in social distancing at liquor shops. The Union Health Minister said that Delhi is a red zone and the government should maintain strict order.
देखो ऑनेस्टली तो जो इस प्रकार की जो खबरें हैं वो कहीं पर भी हैं, वो मुझे विचलित करती हैं, मुझे तकलीफ देती हैं, और मुझे उसके कारण दुख भी होता है और आश्चर्य भी होता है। और मुझे लगता है कि कोई भी निर्णय अगर किसी भी सरकार ने ऐसा किया है जिस पर उनको निर्णय करने के बाद या निर्णय को इम्प्लीमेंट करने के बाद लगता है कि इसको रिव्यू करना चाहिए, तो मुझे लगता है उसको रिव्यू ज़रूर करना चाहिए। कोई निर्णय हो गया है जाने अनजाने में और उसका अगर दुष्परिणाम या दुष्प्रभाव स्पष्ट रूप से हमको दिखाई दे रहा है, तो फिर मुझे लगता है कि उस निर्णय को बरकरार रखना।
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.